YouTube, what's up? I am doing another solo adventure about Dogman. Now, Dogman is a comic book. If I haven't told you yet, I love comic books. So, Dogman is a really good one. I really like it. The first one I like is Dogman, the first book. It's very funny, too. I forgot to mention, it's very, very funny. And the back says, "Get ready for action. Suspense, romantic, sniff, sniff, and laughs." That's the first Dogman book. And it's all these pages. All these pages are it. The next one is Dogman Unleashed. It's, it's good, but not, well, the back says, "In a time of darkness and despair, when strange new villains arise, only one dog-headed cop can save the day. Go get 'em!" Yeah, so that's Dogman Unleashed. I'll put them right here. I'm about to show you my favorites. A Tale of Two Kitties. The back says, He was the best of dogs. He was the worst of dogs. It was an age of invention. It was a season of surprise. That's Dogman. Okay, the next one, I'm doing these in order, so that's number 3. This is the first. Number 4 was the first one I got. Dogman and Cat Kid. So the back says, "It's a tale of good. It's a tale of evil. A tale of heroes." I like all these because they're all funny. Oh, here's the first. And here's the second. I'm sure if I showed those. The next one's Lord of the Fleas. Dogman Lord of the Fleas. I'm sorry, it's not Lord of the Rings, but Lord of the Fleas. The back says, "When times are tough and questions are cruel, an unlucky hero will arise. You can change, Papa." Last book I have for right now, but there are like a bunch of other books I'm gonna hope to get. This is the 6th book, the last one. That was the 5th, and this is Lord of the Fleas with the back. Okay, Dogman, you're under arrest. You're going to jail for a long time. Let's go, bub. That's that. So, yeah. I like all these books really well. They're written by Dav Pilkey, who also wrote Captain Underpants. And I was wondering, for fun, at the back of these books, they show how to draw the new characters in Always Dogman. So I was wondering if you wanted to draw their character. Dogman! Da, 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 da. Do you want him in like a punching position or a whack-ow position with his foot out? Or let's try him from A Tale of Two Kitties for a second. I have this sketch pad here. Okay, so I'll show you the steps to draw Dogman. First, draw that on your paper. A little dot for his nose. I'll give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, next draw that dot, and then a line through the, right at the middle, draw that way. Not all the way, just exactly like that. Or you can always pause this video after each step. Next, draw that. Don't draw this part, just draw that part. Wait a moment. Next, draw that. Next, we're gonna draw 2 eyes like that. They're supposed to be crooked. Next, draw this. Next, I drew those two dots and his big smiley. Okay, next. Draw that. His little hat. Next, and draw that. See his little arm? Next, draw that. And then, final steps. The hardest step. Draw the legs of the dog. And that's Dogman from A Tale of Two Kitties. Thanks for watching. This was really fun, and stay tuned for drawing and Dogman more. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.